Hello student of class 6, once again I'm Srini and welcome to my video, and in today's video I will show you the solutions of question number 7 of exercise 7.4. The other part I have already shown in the other video, and again here question number 5 and 6 I'm skipping here because the question number 5 and 6 almost same what we have done in other questions before. Okay, clear? So you can try yourself this question number 5 and 6. Now I'm coming to the question number 7 here. In question number 7 is asking you that find the answers to the following and write indicate how you solve them. So what is the question? The question here A and C, A, B, C, D are there. Two I'm leaving for you and two I'm showing for you. Yeah. Nothing, just we have to prove that whether it is correct or not. If 5 is equal to sorry, not if it is okay. Is 5 by 9 is equal to 4 or not? Yes or no, then we are going to find. Okay, for that what we have to do, we are going to take the LCM of these two denominators. Yes, the fractions are different fractions, different denominators, different denominators. So what we have to do, we are going to make them as a like fraction first. Okay, clear? Then when we make like fraction and if there is having if they are having the same numerator, then it is same. Okay, so let us see LCM of 9 and 5. We are going to take now. Then how much will be 9 and 5? You see here 5 is prime number, 1 is completion number, so we have to multiply them with 9 times how much? 45. 9 5 is 45 we are having now. Then here 5 by 9 plus 1, so we are going to convert into the fraction having denominator as 45, isn't it? Yes, then how much we multiply here? 5. So here also we multiply 5. 5 times are 45, 5 times are 25. And another one we have, another fraction is 4 by 5, isn't it? So to get this denominator as 45, what we have to multiply here? 9. So 9 5 is 45, isn't it? Now here also we have to multiply 9 here. 4 9 how much? 4 9 is 36. But you can see here, we got here, okay, I want to show you here this column. So, you say like this, let us do it. So, we have 25 by 45 is not equal to 36 by 4. Not equal to. No, the answer is no. We prove it, we solve it, we get it that these two fractions are not clear. So we check like this. They are also not equal, but once again we can check whether they are equal by converting into like fractions, whether they have the same value. So here, let us see the next one. C or C also LCM. LCM of 5 and 20. What will be the LCM? Let us see how to find out the LCM. I'll show here. Now my dear students, here the LCM of 5 and 20. 5 and 20 is 20 itself. Why? Because 5 can divide 20, isn't it? So 5 is the factor of 20. So 20 will be the LCM now. Then the first one, 4 by 5, will convert into the fraction having 20 here. And this 5, almost 5 for the 20, isn't it? And this 4 is to multiply here for the 16 here. Now the second one is 16. So that means second one is 16 by 20. It's already here, not 20 27. So no need to convert anything here, isn't it? So what happened here? So now we get 16 by 20 is equal to 16 by 20, isn't it? Yes, that means 4 by 5 is equal to 16 by 20. Okay. So when you divide this fraction by 4, you will get the same 4 by 5 also again, isn't it? So that means 4 by 5 and 16 by 20 are same here. Okay. Once again, this also, see, we got 16 by 20 here after multiplying with 4 for it. the numerator and the denominator, isn't it? So like this, we prove that this number C is correct, isn't it? That means 4 by 5 is equal to 16 by 20. Once again, please do here and so you will be here. Now we'll take the LCM of the denominators 5 and 20. 5 and 20 is 20. Okay, clear? Then first fraction 4 by 5 we are going to convert fraction having denominator as 20, isn't it? And we have to multiply here 4. Same way we have to multiply 4 here, then 4 4 is 16. So you can see that the 16 by 20 is still going to be 4 ourselves after we get the LCM, isn't it? So here this 16 by 20, the other fraction is going to convert because already it has the 20 as the denominator. So what happened? So 4 by 5 is equal to 16 by 20. Yes, like this also you can just give your answer in very short. Okay. So this is the answer for question number 7, A and C, and B and D is yours. You have to see, you have to try, and you have to find out whether they are equal or not. So the given fractions in B and D. Okay, and then let's go to the next question. Now, my dear student, next question we have question number 8. In question number 8 is saying this: Ila read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. 25 pages read out of 100 pages. Okay, by Ila. And Lalita, another girl is there. Lalita read 2 by 5 of the same book. Same book means the book having the 100 pages. So what we are going to do is that we are going to compare the fractions of the two girls that read the same books, isn't it? So first of all, this is fraction of the pages read by Ila will be 25 out of 100, isn't it? And next, fraction of the pages read by Lalita. How much is that, Lalita? 2. 2 by 5. Okay. In fact, 2 by 5. So what happened? We have to convert this into the fraction having 100. Understand? And what we multiply here? 20 by 100. Here also we multiply 20. That is 40. So you can 5 by 40, 100 and 40 by 100. So which fraction is greater here? Now we have that 25 by 100 and 40 by 100 here. Which is greater? 40 by 100 is greater. You know, isn't it? So therefore, pages read by Lalita was more. Who read this? Sorry, not Lalita. Pages read by Ila is less. Asking who read this? Ila read this. Ila is less. Isn't it? 25 by 100 is less, so therefore, pages read by Ila is less. That's all. Clear? Now let's go to the next question. Now, my dear friend, here we have question number 9. In question number 9 is saying that what fit exercise for 3 by 6 of an hour, while Rohit exercise for 3 by 4 of an hour. Who exercise for longer times? Now, what we can do here is that we must try to find out how many hours are, yeah, of an hour, isn't it? Yes, of an hour. So we are going to compare these two fractions, okay? So my dear student here, let us try to do in very simple way, also in very another way, okay? See, 3 by 6 of an hour means in 1 hour, how many minutes are there? 60 minutes are there. Then how many minutes each of them are doing? It is not that more an hour or many hours. Of an hour, of an hour. That means for a minute, for some minutes, it is kind of, these fractions will represent minutes. Fractions of an hour is minutes. Once again, fraction of an hour is minute, and an hour is made into 60 fractions of 60 fraction of minutes, 60 times of the minutes. Each minutes we can think that is a fraction of an hour. Each minute is a fraction of an hour. Understand? Each minute you can think that is a fraction of an hour. So the given fractions are the minutes only, because it's not an hour. This is a fraction of an hour. Fraction of an hour is minutes only. When we divide the hours into number of units, then it is become the minutes only. Minutes in minutes. So how many minutes are there in 1 hour? There are 60 minutes in an hour. Let us try to do it. That means we will take this number 60. Okay. Now that means we are going to convert 3 by 6. Okay. 3 by 6 as with 60. Understand? That means how many minutes? It has been exercised by roughly. First one, roughly. Okay. So let us see how much. We take this number over 60. Okay, 60. So we make this hours. Number of minutes in hours is 60. So this is our minutes only. So 60. So roughly. For roughly, how much is that? We see roughly 3 by 6 will convert into the fraction having 60 here. Then how much? Into 10 into 10 here. Then is 30 by 60. 30 by 60, isn't it? Then next, for Rohit. For Rohit, it is 3 by 4. To get the number as denominator 60 or the fraction as denominator having 60, then how we will convert it? See for Rohit. Rohit, how much? 3 by 4. Isn't it? Must become the fraction with denominator 16. So how much we multiply here? 15 you multiply. Isn't it? 15. Then is into 15 here. So how much we get here? Here we will get 45 minutes. Isn't it? That means 30 minutes, 45 minutes. In fact. Okay, clear. So Rafiq was exercised for 30 minutes and Rohit was exercised for 45 minutes. Means 30 out of 60, 40 out of 60. Who is greater here? Now, therefore, 45 by 60 is greater than 30 by 60. That means Rohit exercise for longer time. So therefore Rohit, whose fraction is 45 by 60? Rohit fraction, that is 3 by 4. Isn't it? The Rohit who was exercised for 3 by 4 of the hour, 3 by 4 of an hour, will have the longer time of the exercise. This way. Okay, the answer is right. Why you get 60? Because fraction of an hour is 60. As fraction of an hour is minutes. How many minutes are there? 60 minutes. So convert all this in the form of the fractions having 60 as the denominator. That's all. Now, clear? Now let's go to the next question. Hello, my dear friend. Next we have question number 10. Question number 10 is saying like this: in a class A, class, okay, class A, where there is 25 students. Means of 25 students, 20 students pass with 60 marks or above. Okay, 60% or more. Okay, and another class is there B. In class B, there are 30 students. So there are 24 students pass with 60 and more marks. See, number of students 20 in the A, 24 in the B, class B. But total number of students are different. Here is 25, here is 30. So we will write the fractions of the A and B. Okay. In class A, it is 20 by 25, and in class B it is 24 by 30. Now, next what we are to do is now the question is in which class that has a greater fraction to pass in 60 marks. Okay, which class has greater fraction or greater students who pass with 60% or more marks. Okay, so we are going to find out which one is the greater fraction. We get the fraction here for class A as 20 by 5 and 24 by 8. Isn't it? So to find out the greater fractions, so one thing we can do, always we take the LCM. Now we will not take the LCM. Now what we do, we'll change into its lowest form. Okay. To convert the lowest form, we have to divide the denominator and numerator with one common number. That is, let us say 20 by 25. So the LCM is ICM is 5. How much we get? We are getting 4 by 5. Then here 25 by 4 will convert into the lowest form by dividing after dividing by HCF. Their HCF will be 6. That means 6 4s are 24 and 6 5s are 35. Alright. So when we convert into the lowest form, so both are equal. Which means that therefore 20 by 25 is equal to 24 by 30. But because the lowest form are equal, isn't it? The lowest form are equal, so these two are equal. That means so its class has equal number of students pass with 60% or more marks. This is the answer of the question number 3. Okay, my dear student. See here what we are doing. We are finding out the we are converting the fraction into the lowest form. How we convert the lowest form? How we convert the fraction into the lowest form is that we take the HCF. HCF. You know how to find out the HCF, isn't it? To find the HCF, so take the HCF and divide it. HCF is 5. So 5 divided by 20 divided by 5 and 4 here. Then 25 divided by 5 here. Again 24 and 30. The HCF is 6. So divide the numerator, the denominator of this fraction by 6. We got here 6 4 is 24 and 6 5 is 30. Here you see both the lowest term, the lowest form of these two fractions are 4 by 5, 4 by 5. They are equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions means equivalent fractions. When the fractions are having same simplest form, same simplest form or equal simplest form, then the fractions are equivalent fractions. Equivalent fraction means equal fractions. That means they are equal. They are equal, they are equivalent. So each class has equal number of students pass with 60% or more. This is the answer for question number 10. With this, we have completed the exercise 7.4. Now let's go to exercise 7.5. Okay. So my dear student, next exercise we have 7.5. Actually, the 7.5 is the exercise where we will add or subtract the fractions. So I cannot explain some example, but with the questions, with the solutions, I will explain you there. Okay, step by step. Don't worry for that. So let us take these questions from the question number 2. And question number 1 is the diagram. Only see the diagram and just write the fractions. That's all. Nothing is there. Okay, the answer also already given there in the question number 1. You have to write the fractions only. The diagrams. Okay, see the diagram and write the fractions. That's all. Now you see question number 2. Some 4 questions I have chosen from out of these. Some more questions are there. So the remaining is yours. Now this 4 I am showing how to do. Okay, clear? My dear students, first of all, let us see question number A. 1 by 18 plus 1 by 18. We can see here that the denominators are same. So what we have to do is that you take 1 as the common. It is same like this. Clear? Then above is 1 plus 1. So write like this, and we get here 2 by 18. Then 1 plus 1 is 2 by 18. So 2 by 18 can be converted into the lowest form. Why? Because both numerator and denominator can be divided by a common number, that is 2. 2 1 is 2 and 2 9 and 18. You get here 9 by 1 by 9. That means if you divide by 2 here, you divide by 2 here, you get here 2 1 is 2, 2 9 1 by 2. Lowest form. Okay. So if you ask to write the lowest form, this is the answer. If you don't, then 2 by 18 is the answer. Okay. Next, C. Same only, but here we have to subtract, isn't it? So you take the common denominator as they are same. So take 1 as common denominator. Denominator are common, so common denominator take here. And what is there on the top? 7 minus 5 like this. And we get here 2. 2 by 7. 2 by 7, we cannot do anything. We cannot divide by any common number, both numerator and denominator. So 2 by 7 is the number or the answer is nothing we can do, isn't it? Next, G. In G, I will just something is given in the question. You can see here. You see 1 is minus with 2 by 3. My dear student, this 1 we will take as 3 by 3. Why I am taking this 3 by 3 also 1? Why I am taking 3 by 3? Because here, what is the denominator here? The denominator is 3. That's why I am taking 1 as 3 by 3. Understand? And in case of this h here, in case of h, what we will do here? I will tell you. Okay. Now, you see here, my dear student, 3 by 3. So that they have the same. Yeah. Then, now we have like this. Take common denominator 3, and now top we have 3 minus 2, that means 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is the answer. This is our answer. Okay, yes. So these are the answer, and now next we have here 3 minus 12 by 5. Now what we will do here? We don't. This number is not having any denominator, so we will make this number 3 as a fraction having denominator as 5. Okay, 5. Like this. Like this. 12 by. So that is. But what about this 3 here? This 3 is to be converted into another number by multiplying the same number. That means this will become as 15 by 5. So 15 by 5 minus 10 is equal to 3. 15 by 5 you will get 3. So 3 can be written as 15 by 5. Why? Because so that I'm taking this 15 by 5 why? Because denominator here is 5, so we must have denominator as 5. So then the upper one is to be multiplied with the same number 5. Here also same number. I take 3. 3 into 1 is 3. Okay. You can think that this 1 is multiplied here, 3 into 1 is 3. Same way, take the denominator, make its denominator here. After that, you multiply with the same number here. So that you get here 15 by 5 is equal to 3. 3 and 15 by 5 are same. Okay, there is no any difference between. So I take this number as the number having denominator 5 after converting it as 15 by 5. 15 by 5, 12 by 5. Then we are having here common denominator 5. 15 minus 12. That is how much? 3 by 5. Now 3 by 5 is the answer of the given question. Okay, that's it. So like this you do the rest of the questions. So this is I only that you are little confused. If you see again and again and try to understand this question number I. Okay, why I'm making this instead of 3, why I'm making this 15 by 5. So that both will have the same denominators. But the number here on the top, this 3 will multiply with 5 again. So that it becomes 15. Okay, so 15 by 5. I'm taking 15 by 5 instead of 3 now. That's what you have to be aware of. So this is the answer for question number 2 and this is for question number 3. Hello my dear student, this is question number 4 we have. In question number 4, actually I didn't modify the question, but the concept is same. You can see in your book. See, Subham painted 2 by 3 of the wall and his sister had 1 by 3 of the wall. Yeah, I didn't modify. Just understand that one brother and sisters are painting the wall. Subham is painting 2 by 3 and the sister is painting 1 by 3. That's all. Then question is asking how much do they paint it together? So solution, what we have to do is in solution 1 painted by Subham. This is H, okay? H. Subham is equal to 2 by 3 and the wall painted by sister. How much? 1 by 3. Then therefore they painted together. They painted together how much? They painted together how much? Together. How much? Equal to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. That means, yes, 3. 2 plus 1. That is 3 by 3. That means equal to 1. The whole wall is finished. The painting is, isn't it? Yes. 1 or 2. Okay, so this is the answer for question number 3. Now let's go to question number 4. Now hello students, next question we have question number 4. In question number 4, there are 4 questions again and 2 I'm showing you and 2 you try yourself. Clear? You can try the other 2 questions and 2 questions I'm showing you. Now the question is filling the missing fractions. In the boxes we are going to fill up the missing fractions. How do you see here? 7 by 10 minus something you get here 3 by 10. And here something if you plus 2 5 by 27 you get 27 12 by 27. This is very simple. So what you have to do is that 10 will be 7. What if you minus from this 7? You will get 3. There is your 4, isn't it? And denominator must be 10. 10. Here 27, 27, remain the same. So don't need to worry. So what is the number if you add? Okay, if you add to 5, so that you get to 12. Plus 7, 7 plus 5, 12. 27, 27 is 27 because this should be a common. This is also common, isn't it? But only the numerator will be plus or minus. Okay, in addition and subtraction, what you have to do is that after you are getting the common fraction, common denominator, the numerator must be subtract or minus. Okay, yes. See, 10, 10, 7, isn't it? So, what you minus from 7 you get 3, that is 4, 4 like this one. Here, 27, 27 are same. So, what you plus to 5 so that you get 12. Yeah, 12. That means 7 plus 1 is 12. That's all. Okay. But I'll show you how you get this formula. See, in this, if you are subtracting 3 by 10 again, subtract 3 by 10 from here. Just to get the number here. Then you got here 10, then here 4. This is 4 is the number here. Now here also you see, to get this number here, take this 12 by 27 and minus 5 by 27. So 27, 27 you are getting here, then you get here 12 minus 5, that is 7 by 27. That's all. Okay, since they have that common, we will do this. Okay, clear. So like this, you can do the other one also, B and C. So this is the answer for question number 4 and question number 5. Let's see. Hello students, we have the last question, question number 5 of this exercise 7.5. In this exercise, in this question, question number 5, the question number 5 is saying that Javed was given 7 by 5 of a basket of oranges. What fraction of the oranges were left in the basket? My dear students, one basket. A basket means one basket. From one basket, 7 by 5 fraction, 7 by 5 of the one basket, A basket. You see here, my dear students, A basket means one basket of oranges. How many oranges are there? We don't know, but 7 by 5 of the basket is given to Javed. Okay. Yes, I give to Javed. Yes, this was. For example, 7 by 5 gave to the Javed. And how much fraction of the basket is remaining? Then we have to find. So for this, what we have to do? Whole basket, okay. Whole basket is equal to one basket. This is whole basket is equal to 1. Then means from here, from the whole basket, we have to subtract this 5 by 7. This is giving away to Javed, isn't it? So therefore, we have like this 1 minus 5 by 7. Isn't it? Equal to 1. Just remember what we have done in the other questions. 1 you can write as 7 by 7. So that here also we get the denominator, same denominator. 1 we write as 7 by 7. 7 by 7 in 1 also. Why I'm taking 7 by 7, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 100 by 100, also 1 only. But why I'm taking 7 by 7 is because you can see denominator here 7. So 7, for that only I'm taking this 1 as 7 by 7. So that these two denominator are having same denominator. We have a common denominator now. After that, what we will do is we will get this 7 as a common denominator. And then 7 minus 5. How much we get here? Then we get here 7 minus 5. How much? I forgot. Yes. This equal to 2 by 7. So 2 by 7 is the answer. Therefore, therefore, 2 by 7 of the basket is left. Okay, this is how. So my dear student, this is the answer and solution for exercise 7.4 and 7.5 together. And with this exercise, I want to just remind you one more thing is that my dear student, always you must remember that when we are trying to make a fraction into its simplest form, we have to take one common factor that is called HCF and divide the numerator and denominator. Okay, then we get the simplest form. And if the fractions are having the same simplest form, then the fractions are called equivalent fractions. Means the fractions are same fraction. Hereafter, now what you have to do is that in this addition and subtraction of the fractions, what you have to do is that if the fractions are having the same denominators, then you have to add the numerator or subtract the denominators. That's all. Okay, clear. And here in this case, you see 1 minus 5 by 7. In such situation, what you have to do is that you make the 1 as the fraction with the same numerator and same denominator. 7, 7. Numerator of 7, denominator of 7. Why? Because in the other denominator, in the fraction of in the denominator of the other fraction, the denominator is 7. The denominator of the other fraction is 7. That's why we are getting 1 as a 7 by 7. If any other number here, 2 or 3 or 4, any other number than 1, then you multiply with the denominator here, that is 7, 1 is 7, and make the same denominator as x. You have to multiply. Here also we are multiplying 7 into 1, but 7 into 1 is 7 itself, so I am taking 7 measure. Okay, for the case of 1, if it is 2 here or 3 here, you have to multiply above with the number and the denominator. Okay. This is what we have to understand in this topics of this chapter, addition and subtraction, or the simplest form of equivalent fractions. Okay. So with this, my dear student, today we come to the for today we have come to the conclusion. So we finish here for today. We'll meet again in the next video. Okay. Till then, have a nice day. Take care of yourself. So once again, thank you for watching my video.